Wavtech makes an inexpensive amplifier that has a bunch of built-in preamp features? What? Hey everyone, Corin here with another episode of Check It Out, and today we will be answering that question. Let's start off with a rundown of this series. It is made up of 2 monoblock and 2 4-channel amplifiers. The 4 channels both have Link 4 from Wavtech built in, which provides summing and internal loading. So that factory system upgrade your customer brings in makes these 2 amps an excellent choice. The Link 300.4 Mini lives up to its name, a small footprint amp capable of driving a set of components and a subwoofer at 300 watts. If your customer is looking for a little more power, 60% more to be exact, install the Link 500.4 Mini. Still a small form factor, but a lot more driving power and adds a bass EQ. Add on the Wavtech Link RC remote for even more control. The 2 mono blocks, the Link 500.1 and Link 1001, adds Wavtech's Bass Freak preamp. This allows access to a 24 dB per octave crossover, adjustable parametric EQ, and subsonic filter. Both models can be installed with the Link RC remote to allow your customers to conveniently control their bass from the driver's seat. Now that we have an understanding of the features of the 4-channel and monoblock, let's take a look at some shared features that really make these amps unique. All of these amps were designed with a Wavtech line output converter built around an amplifier. So all 4 are truly designed to add aftermarket audio to an OEM system your customer knows and loves. In the same vein, if your customer's vehicle is fitted with an auto start-stop feature, these amps won't kick off at every red light when the system activates. These amps also feature active thermal management, which rolls back power until the amp has reached a safe temperature. All 4 also feature removable mounting tabs to take that small footprint a step further. Wavtech's motto for these new amplifiers is, if you can't do it better, don't bother doing it. And we believe they have succeeded in making these amplifiers much better than anything on the market for an excellent price. For all of our installers watching, the Wavtech line is map protected for online sales. To any car audio enthusiasts watching with interest in the Wavtech lineup, we encourage you to visit one of your local 12-volt professionals to learn more. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Check It Out. Please make sure to log in to davisdealers.com or call your Davis salesperson for more info and availability. Also, give us a like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do it now. Until next time.